Werschay Homes has partnered with Matthew Hall Components to engineer and construct trusses for both the floor and the roof of the home. The trusses of the home are created and laid out in the computer, engineered with appropriate loads applied. The designer also does revisions to ensure that the plan is cost-effective, all while maintaining quality. The designer must make considerations for many things, including the location of the plumbing, heating and air ducts, as well as working out problem areas. They must also compensate for extra loads that will be contained in the home, including granite countertops. Once the drawings are approved, the final design is processed for shop cutting and assembly with computer-generated cutting and laser projection systems. A layout for the carpenters is also created so it can be followed for proper placement of each truss with specific requirements. As always, all Werschay homes have the floor trusses built to hold 30% more load than is required. In fact, Matthew Hall Components keeps a file on all special requirements for Werschay homes to ensure consistency across the board. Matthew Hall Components are manufacturers of premium floor, wall, and roof truss components for single and multi-family residential construction, commercial and institutional buildings, hotel facilities, restaurants, agricultural buildings, and workshop facilities. The trusses are cut and assembled and then rolled out the door, ready to be shipped to the job site. From there, a crew of workers use a crane to install the trusses one by one. At this point, you can really see the home beginning to take shape. Each truss is different than the one before it, so they must take care to follow the plan to ensure proper placement. Each truss is strapped to the crane, carefully lowered and nailed into place by one of the carpenters. Each truss has been carefully fabricated to ensure accurate measurements and the highest quality down to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. Once all the trusses are in place, the crew is then ready to move on to the next step of the build.